Gemini Exchange news. In this video, what we're going to be discussing is the current state of Gemini's cryptocurrency exchange and what's really going on with it nowadays. Because if you clicked on this video, I'm pretty sure you all are looped in on the situation they have been stuck in for a few years. But if you don't, let me give you a small rundown of what Gemini is and what it's stuck in. Now, Gemini is basically a trust company, an LLC, which is an American cryptocurrency exchange and custodian bank. It was found in 2014, and the whole purpose of it was to work on the blockchain, do proper trading, and obviously allow users to gain money through crypto. Okay, it has a really good history where it began with flying colors. And obviously, Gemini did announce that it will allow registered users to withdraw Bitcoin Cash from the exchange, which was huge, okay? Because the exchanges which allow you to actually trade Bitcoin are the ones at the top because they usually have the most on their blockchain and they're usually connected with the Ethereum mainframe, which is the best mainframe to be on when it comes to licensed Ethereum exchange, okay? So recently, what happened was in around November 2021, Gemini raised a $400 million investment that values the New York parent company Gemini Space Station at $7.1 billion. Then moving over to 2022, CFTC, which is the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, which looks at all of these crypto scams and everything, filed a suit against Gemini based on alleged misrepresentation of the company's exchange and futures contract during 2017 meetings with the CFTC. The suit is seeking to block Gemini and its affiliates from trading commodities and getting further investments in addition to monetary fines. So basically, this is where the downfall started. Then moving over to 2023, Gemini was charged with unregistered offer and sale of securities to retail investors through the Gemini Earn crypto asset lending program. As part of the same action, the SEC also charged Genesis, the parent company of Gemini, which held approximately $900 million in investor assets from 340,000 Gemini Earn customers. And even if you want to get an idea of Gemini Earn, you can find it in their crypto exchange section. Okay. And then moving on, in 2023, around February, Genesis announced an agreement in principle with the digital currency group and creditors of Genesis, okay, which also included Gemini. Then moving over to March, there were rumors about American multinational financial services company ending its banking relationship with Gemini, which obviously raised more, doubts in people's minds who were using Gemini Earn. Then in May 2023, Gemini announced that they were going to open a new company headquarter in Dublin, Ireland. And then in January of 2024, Gemini received crypto registration in France. But obviously, between all of this, in October 19, 2023 is when the main game went down. New York Attorney General Letitia James filed a lawsuit against Gemini and digital asset companies. The lawsuit focused on Gemini Earn, a program through Gemini that promised users a safe way to earn high interest earnings. The lawsuit stated that Gemini had deceived investors about the risks of a lending service it ran and joined with Genesis. So this suit obviously went on for a while. And then in March 2024, Gemini agreed to refund at least $1.1 billion to users of its halted Earn program and pay a $37 million fine. Now, recently, Gemini has come back to its feet again and they are slowly starting back on their blockchain. But obviously, this is the latest news that we have. So, if you want to know more news about this, do let me know down in the comments below and I'll tell you the news by the second. But that's the main idea of Gemini Exchange news. If you enjoyed this video, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.